Meaning of glass paper.
Glass paper.
Glass paper.
Glass paper.
Glass paper. Glass paper is a type of abrasive paper that is used for sanding and smoothing surfaces. It is made by coating paper with a layer of abrasive material such as aluminum oxide or silicon carbide. When applied to a surface, the rough surface of the glass paper gradually smoothens it out. As the abrasive particles wear down, they are replaced by new ones, which keeps the paper effective for longer periods of time. Glass paper comes in a variety of grits, from coarse to fine, making it ideal for different levels of sanding and finishing tasks.